Photos which Amber Heard claimed showed marks on her skin caused by Johnny Depp's physical abuse have been called into doubt by a digital forensics expert. Brian Neumeister told the court that there are different versions of the same photo, which could mean that the picture looks different depending on which version of the photo is being viewed. Mr. Neumeister had been asked to analyze the photos of Amber's alleged injuries to ascertain whether they were genuine or if they had been altered. The court is shown a video of Amber with a red face, and it shows how different versions of the same picture could be treated two different ways, Mr. Neumeister told the court. He said that Photo 3.0 software had been used to edit the photo so that the second photo looks quite a bit different from the first. Under cross-examination, Mr. Neumeister said that there are numerous methods and tools that can be used to analyze the authenticity of photos. He was asked in court whether he believed that Amber had intentionally modified the photos which had been submitted to court, but the expert said he was just stating the fact that photographs were modified. Mr. Neumeister told the court that the exit data reveals information about the type of lens used and whether the flash had fired, amongst other information. Speaking about the first photo which was shown to the court, he said there were many versions of this photo. Dozens of different versions, some with different file sizes, different physical sizes, and some had been through photo editing software programs. The court was then shown 3 different versions of the photo, and Mr. Neumeister said, all 3 of these photos had to go through some type of transformation to change sizes. When asked about other photos which show Amber with bruising, the expert said that the exit date showed that the picture had been through Photos 3.0 editing software. Previously, the court had heard from Johnny Depp again, after he was asked to return to answer questions. He told the court that Amber had hit him while they were on honeymoon in 2015 and spoke about the effect her accusations had had on him. Johnny also told the court that he agreed with his former girlfriend, supermodel Kate Moss, who had told the court earlier today that she was not pushed down a flight of stairs by Johnny, as Amber had previously claimed. Supermodel Kate, who dated Johnny between 1994 and 1998, had testified earlier today and said she had not been pushed. Kate had told the court, "We were leaving the room and Johnny left the room before I did, and there had been a rainstorm," Moss told the court earlier. "As I left the room I slid down the stairs and I hurt my back and I screamed because I didn't know what had happened to me. Depp came running back to help me and carried me to my room and got me medical attention." Johnny told court that while on their honeymoon in 2015, on the Oriental Express from Thailand to Singapore, that Amber Heard punched him in the face. The court were shown a photo of the couple with staff from the train, and Johnny had marks around his eyes and nose, which he called a shiner. He told the court, at one point, "I don't remember it lasting long. I took a pretty good shot to the face, to the eye. So I had a bit of a shiner. It all ended and then everything got fine again." Johnny said that he did not recall whether Amber had apologized for the alleged incident. Speaking about Amber's accusations during her testimony, about the physical violence she was subjected to at the hands of Johnny, the actor said that what she said was insane. Johnny then told the court, "It's insane to hear heinous accusations of violence, sexual violence, that she's attributed to me, that she's accused me of. I don't think anyone enjoys having to split themselves open and tell the truth, but there are times when one just simply has to because it's gotten out of control." He pauses before telling the court about Amber's testimony, "Horrible. ridiculous, humiliating, ludicrous, painful, savage, unimaginably brutal, cruel, and all false. All false. I wanted. No human being is perfect, certainly not, none of us, but I have never in my life committed sexual battery, physical abuse, all these outlandish, outrageous stories of me committing these things, and living with it for 6 years and waiting to be able to bring the truth out. The trial continues.